Nihari Gosht Pakistani Mutton Stew.
Ingredients: 1 kg lamb meat, 2 tablespoons refined oil, 3-4 green cardamoms, 1 teaspoon whole cinnamon, 2 black cardamoms, 2-3 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 cup water, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon garlic, ground, fried, 1 teaspoon onion, ground, fried, 3 tablespoons yogurt, beaten, 2 teaspoons gulab jal, 2 teaspoons garam masala, half a teaspoon nutmeg-cardamom powder, half a teaspoon saffron, soaked. To taste salt. Few drops of Ittar. Wheat dough, for dum. For garnishing fresh coriander and ginger julienne. Directions. Heat oil in a pan and add green cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, black cardamom and bay leaves. Add the meat and saute till lightly fried. Add salt and turmeric and mix well. Pour in the water, cover the pan and cook. When it starts boiling, add ginger garlic paste, coriander powder, red chilli, garlic paste and onion paste. Mix well and add yogurt, gulab jal, garam masala, nutmeg and cinnamon powder and saffron. Cover and cook for 2-3 minutes. Now transfer the meat in a heavy bottom pan and strain the gravy. Add a few drops of Ittar and cover the pan. Seal it with the wheat dough and cook on slow fire. Once done, garnish with fresh coriander and ginger julienne and serve.